What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got something a little different today. As you know, we have our What's in the Box Wednesdays, Monday Night Mayhem. We'll talk more about that in a minute. But today we're going to call it a special treat Sunday. Got this kit that I picked up in auction, and I'm just too excited. I've got to get into it and look at it and show it to you guys. The Godzilla MB Jeep by MPC. I looked at the box and it looks like it's got on the UPC symbol, it says 2020. So I didn't even know that this kit was out, much less re-released. I got it because one, I love Jeeps, and two, come on, Godzilla, pretty cool. I thought it was a 3D thing, but it's a die cut cardboard cutout, but it's still pretty cool. We'll look at the box real quick. It says it's got the military version and the tourist Surrey version, and it's got a big old gun on it, big old cannon to shoot Godzilla. It's got a little bit of a story, back history of what it's about, the series. I personally, I don't know. I haven't watched a whole lot of them. Roast me in the comments, but it looks like Godzilla and someone else fighting someone else, and then aliens. I don't know. Everyone attack. So, without any more ado, let's get into this thing and check it out. I've already opened it and looked at it a little bit because I've had some ideas of what I want to do with it, but let's pull the parts out and we'll get into that later a little bit. Okay, the first off manual is, it's not great, it's not too bad. pretty clear where stuff goes. Shows the options for single carburetor for military version, but I'm probably not going to use that motor. We'll get into that in a minute. Hold on, let me grab something. Get everything prepared. So, carpet gremlin. And we're back. Found it. Carpet gremlin almost got me. So let's, like I said, I've already been into this and kind of played with ideas a little bit. Let's jump right into the body. Get that out of camera shot. Pretty cool. I mean, it's NPC, so I expect it to be not stellar. It's got a little bit of flash here and there, but it's an old Jeep tub. Not a whole lot you can do with that. So we'll continuing on with the frame. Like I said, I'd already taken this out and looked at it a little bit, did some test fitting mock-ups, and we'll get into that at towards the end of the video. The frame is, it looks straight, looks okay. Doesn't wobble, doesn't have the three-wheel motion going. We'll get into some, let's do the chromes first. Chromes. Safety first. The chrome stuff in typical round 2 MPC fashion. It's a little bit globby in my opinion, personal opinion. It's got, it just looks thick. Looks like when they dip it, it's just a thick solution. But whatever, opinions aside, it's got these neat wheels, these like old school spun aluminum moons. Those are pretty neat. Not for this kit, but they're still pretty cool. And there's that flathead 4, inline 4, absolute workhorse of a motor. And some other, various chromey parts that, again, I will be hitting it with easy off and getting rid of all that chrome. Continue on. Safety first. You like my new cutter? That looks like the top for the Surrey, the tourist thing. The vinyl, or not, I don't know, some kind of top. It's got some textures, ribbing on it. And then there's the big old cannon. That will be, I've got ideas for another kit for that, not for this one. Let's see, we've got some drive lines, leaf springs, axles, fuel cell, motor house, a little teeny battery. Is this thing at 6 volt? I wonder. Not sure what that is, but and some cute little shocks, drive lines. This looks like, I think that's part of the tourist Surrey, part of the back seat or something. But it's cool. It's got not a whole lot of details on it, but it's got a radio, attack now, Godzilla is coming. That's the rear tire carrier. Looks like that's the back of the cannon, probably the breech, the loading area. More bags. I love this. This has got some cool extras on it. There's the actual gun, or one of them, I guess. I guess you can have the cannon and the 50. Neat. Some more pew-pew, like an old Thompson gun and long rifle. Fuel tanks, shovel, and an axe. That's pretty neat. Love those extras. Love them. And then there's that Jeep grill. I wonder. It is an old school style. The amount of slats in the grill. If you're a Jeep person, you know. And then the dashboard. Pretty. The not a whole lot of detail on that. I mean, there's enough. You can pick it out, but it's pretty low. It's not very prominent. And then the seats have like a texture on them, kind of to give them. Yeah, they look good. Looks like the windshield will fold down. Cool. Single exhaust parts. Wheel backs. Cool steelies. Oh, okay. Here we go. So we have grill options. There's your standard Jeep grill, and then your touristy version. The hood has a little bit of details on it. It's got the latch pins, and that's the front cowl, hood cowl, wheel backs, steering wheel, with a little bit of detail on that. That'll paint up nice. And lastly, we'll get into the tires that came with it. So you get 5 of these. Nice knobby tread. Suburbanite. Goodyear Suburbanite. And some numbers. I can't quite read what that says. No, is that? Well, you get 5 of those. Decent treads, you know. Cheapin'. Burp, 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 burp. But here we get into the fun part. I've got a different idea. First I thought, you know how we do. Bigger is better. So these are off of the various Revell kits come with these tires, like the Jeep Honcho or the Ram Charger, or different, trucks that have a larger tire. I thought first, well, that's not enough. That's not bigger enough. Bigger is better. So then I thought, ooh, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I mean, cool, but I've already done that. I already have another Revell that I built, or is it a monogram? I don't remember. I'll put a picture up here of that cool CJ7 that's all launched on these bigger tires. Looks super cool. But I'm thinking, because of these really cool moons, those are pretty bitchin'. Out of one of my NASCAR kits, I'm gonna use these slicks. And yeah, oh yeah, that's gonna be cool. So going further, yep, you know what that means. We'll do some kind of motor swap with what I've got. See what I can stuff in that thing. I think that's a 346 pack. I believe this is a wedge, maybe. I don't remember. But yes, I mean, I've got other options. I thought maybe put a blown supercharged something in there, slam it, tub it, slam it, race Jeep. Oh yeah, what are we missing here? The clears, that's right. Really limited. It's got a front shield. It's got a split in the middle, 2 panes, and then light lenses. That's it for the clears. Huh. So I guess one would be tails and one would be headlights. I guess it does come with the blackout hoods, and then the logos. And some Army stencil stuff. Little flag. USA. Godzilla. Not sure what that is. Planetary defense. Oh, it's in French too. Oh, the French, the defense planétaire. Sorry, I apologize. Horrible imitations. Okay, so that is about it for the MPC Godzilla Jeep that I'm going to be slamming, tubbing, and putting some big slicks on it. I might not even tub it. I might just let those stick out the side. Why not? We'll see. We'll see how much hacking and chopping it's going to take. But the cool part of this kit, not that any of that isn't cool, but it also comes with this die-cut diorama of a ginormous Godzilla. So bitchin'. You pop that out, place it. Yeah, here you go. There's a little description. So it's got the background of the power lines. You pop out and fold various parts of the tower, some background stuff, and then it's got some foreground. This is all foreground that you would pop out. Super cool. So I gotta figure out somewhere for this to go, and this will be the new shop mascot. What I'm thinking is I can make it looming over and into my little shop diorama. Rah, how come you're not working? Godzilla smash. Wait, I just smashed up 2 different characters, didn't I? I'm a dork. Roast me in the comments, as usual. I like it. So, that about does it for the Godzilla Willys MB Jeep, an invasion of the Astro Monster. In the Kaiju classic Invasion of the Astro Monster, Godzilla, Rodan, and the infamous King Ghidorah are used as pawns by the cunning aliens Exilians and their plan to invade Earth. Therefore, Earth's valiant defenders must marshal force to contain the carnage. Their scientists find a way to release the creatures from their thrall. It is the only way to thwart the alien plot. Allow Godzilla and Rodan to vanquish the terrifying King Ghidorah. Feel free to roast me or educate me in the comments. Here we go. Yeah. So, pretty cool. Looking forward to that one. That's going to do it for this Sunday special surprise. Tomorrow on Monday Night Mayhem, we're going to put the CUDA aside and get into this mess. It's too big to fit in frame. So, I've got this kit bash, the idea thing. I'll put a link in the description of the teaser I made for it. Basically going to be making a Wasteland thing, Mad Max style. Put that on that with this. Yeah. Yeah, so that'll be coming up tomorrow night. We'll do some cutting and some relocating. I gotta cut the frame, chop the frame, and shorten it a little bit so I can use that end piece, and then figure out where some of the suspension and stuff will go. Figure out how to mock up the tilting hood. So that'll do it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and all that. And we'll see you in the next one. Be sure to tune in tomorrow night, 7 PST, Pacific Standard Time, for Monday Night Mayhem. Be there or be not. Read. That's it.